Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here, coming to you from the cab of the F-100. I made myself a little phone mount and put it on the dash, and I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'm going to try and take the truck out and see if we can't get it to make a little bit more power than it was, and I don't know, we'll see. I think I figured out why it was bogging out the other day. I pulled the air cleaner yesterday and the choke was completely closed. I think the air cleaner is pushing against the manual choke wire, and that's what's causing it to bog out. So, I don't know. Let's give it a shot. Let me roll down the passenger side window here with these wonderful power windows. Power of me. Alright, let's see what happens. Turn on the old fuel pump and give her a second. A little bit of high idle there, but I don't know. Let's go see what's happening under the hood real quick, and maybe we'll decide if we're going to take her out or not. Alright, we're back. Adjusted the idle just a tiny bit. I don't know. We're going to take her down the road and see what happens. See if I get stuck. Alright, had to move the phone mount a little bit because it fell. Made a debacle of things. Well, it's still bogging and dying. Alright, well, let's get it home before I get stuck. trucks are going the way I want to go and blocking the road. Shit. Well, she's definitely still got some kinks to work out. It's bogging, still being a little funky. I mean, yeah, she's a mess. We'll just keep trucking along. Every time I mash the gas, it just wants to die and bog and be a pain. Yeah, lost you again there. Stop sign. Well, that was an interesting trip. Alright guys, well, I appreciate you watching my craziness, and I'll keep shooting you videos. You keep liking and subscribing, and we're on our way to 100 subscribers. A long way from what they want to make any money, but I'm not really here for the money. I'm just here for the entertainment value. But, alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.